Mac Games in the building. And what's going on, YouTube? Today we got another, I guess, PC unboxing, but this one's to stay. This is my brand new CyberPowerPC. Now, I know my other one, I was saying it was amazing and I was so hyping, yada, yada, yada. I do so much on my PC that I needed something a little more powerful. So, as you see the specifications on this one, it got an RTX 3060 and an AMD R7 3800X. Granted, that's not the greatest, you know, CPU or GPU, whatever it is you say for it. That's not the greatest for it, but that's the one it got, and it has a 1 terabyte SSD. The previous one just had a 500 gigabyte SSD, and I got extended hard drives, but I wanted everything, more things on my SSD, but especially my games, because SSDs run faster than a regular hard drive. So we finna get the unboxing this one, man, and we finna see, bro. Like, and I already recorded a gameplay of me playing Warzone, which is one of the most system, like, it uses the most of your system these days. So I recorded gameplay of that on my old PC before I got rid of it. And I think that one had an i5 9700K, and it had a 1660 Ti when it said it was a Super, but it was really a Ti. Not that big of a difference, but you're gonna see, well, basically you're gonna see how that one ran frames per second wise and how much GPU it used as opposed to this one. I mean, this one should blow it out of the water because it's 3060 as opposed to a 1660 Ti. So we're gonna see, but let's get into this unboxing. Need to be trying to keep that smooth. Whatever. Sheesh. Hold on, I ain't doing it like that. I'm doing it. You know, that tape ain't playing on this side. The last one came with a keyboard and a mouse, and it looked like this one also coming with a keyboard. Same keyboard. I believe so. Believe this is the same keyboard. The no key. Hopefully I'm holding it up to the camera right. Won't be hell-headed than this, I guess. Also looks like the same mouse. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's the same mouse. It's the exact same mouse. So I want to assume it's the exact same keyboard. Yeah. I just keep the box in for when I sell the next one. So now I just got the PC in here. Yeah. All right, let's get it. Wait, there's something else in here. What's this? Yeah, a little yelling. Insert USB key to begin. Oh yeah, I got one of these. Free $10 Amazon. Leave a review and get a $10 Amazon gift card. Bet. Power cable. Yeah, customer support. Keep that close by. Some people said they stuff didn't work. Whatever these is. Look like they probably boost the Wi-Fi signal from it because it screws into the back like an antenna type thing. Yeah. So let's get what we've been waiting for up out of there. This box out of here. There we go. It come wrapped in the CyberPower joint. They had it nice and comfy up in that box. Yes, sir. Come wrap. Oh, it was in there already upside down. Basically, it was already upside down, like sideways. I don't know if I'm still in the shop, should be. Hold on. Take it over there. Oh my God, it's so staticky. So this is the very top of it. The USB 3.0s, similar to the other one, my headset. Boom. Boom. Ew. I don't like the power button on this. The power button on the other one was much better. Let's see. Oh yeah, we gotta get that out. The inside. Okay. They got a lot more cooling on this joint. Lot more. Read before removing. Camera, what are we doing here? Come on. Camera. My camera don't care. Read before removing. We got the joint in the bag. Okay. Okay. Hold on. After we remove this, boom. Got the part. Okay. Same amount of cables and stuff. Yeah. Just like I figured, you see? It boosts the Wi-Fi signal in the back if I hook those. I'm not going to be using Wi-Fi, so it doesn't matter to me. Ethernet cable. Boom. You got the one HDMI right there. And then you got down here, got another HDMI and 3 display ports. Boom, you got back here. Okay. Okay, let's crack this bad boy open so we can take that off. They just got, hold on, there you go. This. Last time they didn't have this on the outside of it. For you to just twist it with your hand, you had to get the screw to unscrew it. But for this one, you just do that to take off this right here. Boom, so we got to the inside. Let's get this out. Okay. Oh, boom. Boom. Now you guys can see the inside. This one is liquid cooling. So in addition to the fans, have the liquid cooling system, the Cool Master right there. Oh, man, I can't wait to get this joint hooked up. And they got 2 of the 8GB sticks. The RAM sticks that were in the first one. They got 2 of those in this one. It's really well put together. Really well put together. I'm liking it. Pretty neat. Very neat. All right, let's plug this sucker up and see what it can do. Now that we got this joint on, one of the most satisfying parts. Hold on, here we go. Oh my God. That joint's so clean.